I'm making a chocolate angel food cake. I've never tried this recipe before. Got my angel food cake mix with just add water. So for this one, I'm going to add cocoa powder and a 1/4 cup packed. I didn't pack mine, so I added an extra tablespoon. I'm going to mix this all around. 1 1/4 cups of water. And then this is optional, but if you want, you can add a teaspoon of vanilla and make it 3 ingredients. Okay, we're gonna get this all mixed up. Okay, now I got a bundt pan here just because I just want to try it. I got this at a garage sale for 50 cents and I just thought it would be fun to try. Just throw this in the oven and see how it works. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Here is my chocolate angel food. It's all cool. Now, I don't normally make angel food cakes, so I don't understand how, if you don't grease them, how they come out. I don't know how this works. All right, all you angel food cake makers. Okay, well that actually looks pretty good. Oh my. Okay, that looks really delicious.